Hi guys, Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you so much for checking out our channel where we're all about bathrooms. Peach of a little job today to smarten up your bathroom. We're going to change one of these 2-pin shaver sockets into one of these. Really easy, really simple thing to do. I'm going to show you everything it involves. Let's check out the video. So before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to this channel. There's a subscribe button down here. Just click that. We'll be bestest friends. It does help me create content to help you do your projects in your bathroom. So click that button. Great stuff. Okay, so tools that we need. I've got an electrical screwdriver here and just a larger flat-headed screwdriver just so I can take the screws out. You might need some cable cutters if you need to trim up and smarten up some cables, but I put this socket in so I know that it's all clean and I won't need to do any adjustment. And then one really important tool, if you haven't got it, is try and get yourself a Matilda dust sheet, because you know these are really going to change your life and make your job so much easier. So I'll chuck that over all that in a bit. Get one of those. And then we've got the shaver replacement itself. So this is replacing the shaver socket. This is a Proofvision electric toothbrush charger. Let's have a look at that in a bit more detail now. So before we have a little unboxing session of our new toothbrush charger, quick word about electrics. Do not take on this job if you're not confident with electrics or have done some electrical work in the past. It's not complicated, but if in doubt, get an electrician, but they could drink all the coffee and eat all the chocolate hobnobs in my experience, so beware. Okay, so Proofvision in-wall electric toothbrush charger. So this is what we use on most of our jobs now. These have gone out of fashion a little bit. The only time we tend to use these now, we can put these in a unit so they're out of sight, so because they're really just being used for toothbrush chargers. Haven't got a clue what the 115 volt does. Is it razors? Put a little comment in the comment section. I have no idea what that is used for, but I suspect it's razors. That is the only thing we use in the house. So let's get this unwrapped and have a little look. So I have gone for the brushed chrome because I think it suits this bathroom better. But if you look on the back of the box, you can get it in polished, brushed and black, and it comes with white standard, but I've gone for the brushed chrome. Let's get it out and see what comes in it. So we'll unpackage that, and there is our wall-mounted toothbrush charger, and that has the brushed chrome plate that just, if you look along the back, it's just got some clips in there and in there which just pop off, and that can go on at a later date. Now you might be looking at this thinking, well, I don't really want something that just does one toothbrush, and I do use my razor. They do options of these where you can have a double on here, you can have two of these, or you can have one of these and a 2-pin plug for your razor, but unfortunately they are landscape, which won't fit in there. So if you're planning a new bathroom, think about maybe having a double of these or a single with a 2-pin plug if you want, but you'd have to set it in landscape, thinking ahead. Retrospectively, it's fine to just change for one of these. So on the back, we've just got our terminals here, live, neutral and earth, and we will just push our cable into these ports here. So there's two of each in case you have two cables going into the back of the socket already. So there's a little list of instructions in here as well if you need it, and that will give you all your technical jargon if you need to about new colours versus old colours of cables, etc, 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 but we don't need those. Okay, first things first, we're going to shut the power off to this. So these shaver sockets will be normally are 99% of the time on the lighting circuit. So what I tend to do is leave my bathroom lights on and bathroom mirror, go and turn the power off on the consumable relating to the upstairs lights. Also, just to make sure, doubly make sure that you've turned the power off to the toothbrush, I leave your toothbrush charger plugged in and flashing, so when you come up you know it's going to be dead and some electrician 20 years ago hasn't done something strange. So leave that charging, leave your lights on, let's shoot downstairs and turn the power off quick. Okay, here's our consumer board and there's my lights for my upstairs bathroom, so I'll pop that off and that should do the trick. So we've got the power off, our bathroom lights are off and our little flashing light on the toothbrush has gone now, so we know that that is completely dead and ready to disconnect. We have got some light in here because I put a big light in the corner so I can see. So next job is to put our lovely little special edition Matilda cloth down, and then we'll start unscrewing the old shaver socket. So just a screw top and bottom to undo at this stage. That's two. Just let the socket come out and hang, be absolutely fine, and we can show you where the existing wires are into there. If you can see, we have our live, neutral and earth, so we just disconnect them from these points here. So live will come out, then the earth, then the neutral, and that's the old socket out the way. Here you got our new one. So we have, as you can see, the live, neutral and earth with two ports there. It doesn't matter which one you put it in, they're both exactly the same. So let's start with the live and pop that in there first. Make sure you push it hard in, give it a little pull so it won't come out. Incidentally, if you want to remove this, just press the lever and pull the cable out. It comes out like that. So pop that in. And then the earth can go in. And then the neutral. As easy as that. Okay. So that's tight, that's tight, that's tight. And now we can just screw that back up into the existing holes. All screwed in all the way. Make sure it's nice and level. You can either use a little spirit level here or just the joint of the tile and just eye it up. Just give it a little final pinch in place. Let's get our cover plate on. So this has a certain way up. It has to go that way up because obviously it won't go that way up. So we just push that on like so and press it all the way around. You'll hear a click. Click, 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 and there we go, that's all done. Great, so we've got that all on, the faceplate is on. Let's pop the power back on and give it a test now. So grab our toothbrush and chuck that on there and see if it charges. Perfect, we've got a little flashing light. So there we go, new wall-mounted toothbrush charger in the bathroom, looking sharp. So I hope that's been helpful for you guys. Do drop me a comment if there's something else you'd like to see or something I've missed. We can chat about that. Do feel free to subscribe and like this video and check out our channel where we've got loads of content regarding bathroom installations and fitting, hints and tips. And we will catch you on the next one. Thank you ever so much. Take care. Bye.